All right, so it's May 10th. You're trying to get on your PlayStation 3 and you realize you get this message and you're like, what the heck? What's going on? Well, PlayStation decided to release a random update. So now every PlayStation 3 has to be with a new setup password through a two-step verification. And it's pretty crazy. It took me around like over 10 minutes because it was complicated, but I'm going to save you the time so you could do this. I'm going to be using the computer, the desktop browser. You can actually use the PlayStation browser if you choose to. I prefer the PC because it's much faster. I actually did mine on cell phone, but for educational purpose, we're going to use the desktop web browser. All right, first thing you want to do is you want to go to PlayStation.com. And once you get here, you're going to obviously click sign in. It's going to ask you for your ID and your password. Obviously, you log that in. Once you log in, it's just going to take you back to the same page. So if you have an avatar, it's going to pop out right here on this corner. So you want to do is just click on that and pretty much go to your account settings. Once you're in your main menu of your account settings, click on security. It's going to say, will you go to another page? You will go to another page and pretty much click on it. Yeah. Once you click on security, it's going to send you here. And you're going to go down here where it says two-step verification. Mine's disabled because I never used it. So you're going to have to click edit. You could use text message or you could use Authenticator app. I actually use Authenticator app because I don't want my phone number to be attached to my PlayStation account. You could download this on the store, the iOS store or the Google store, so it doesn't matter. You're going to see a Authenticator app. I use the Google one because, well, it's the most common, I suppose. So whatever you do, text message or Authenticator app, it's up to you. I prefer this one. So once this pops up, use your Authenticator app and scan it. And after that, you'll get some codes on your phone. You go to continue. You type in the codes that reads on the Authenticator app. Once you verify, it's going to pretty much tell you that it's good. And pretty much about it. Okay, so is that it? Once you do that, you're probably going to try to log in and you're going to get the same screen again. So what you have to do next, you're going to have to go back to security and you see yourself, it says two-step verification status active. Well, now you got to do a thing called a device setup password. What does that mean? It means you're going to set up a password for your PlayStation 3 or your Vita. I don't know why they're doing this, but once again, I think they're doing it because they're trying to avoid people because people get banned on the PlayStation Network for using hacked PS3s, and a lot of people use fake IDs. So I think that's what they're trying to do. So you just click here. It's going to tell you it's prompted. If prompted on your PS3, PS Vita, or PSP or mobile device, you'll need to generate a device setup password. Once you enter this password, you'll be able to sign in using your sign-in ID and account password. You can revoke the device setup password anytime. So you're going to have to generate a new password. It's going to give you a random password. You're going to get this, and when you're logging in on your PlayStation 3, you're going to pretty much type in your email and type in this password, and you should be able to log in. As you can see, I'm logged in. Just to prove it, I'm going to go to my friends section. It's going to see that I am online. You can only see this when you're logged in. To make even more sure enough, we're going to go to time and date, and we're going to set it via internet so I can show you that this is live on May 5th. 2022. As you can see, the date says right there, Pacific time, you know what's up. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. And if you got any more questions, let me know. Make sure to subscribe, like, share the videos, and watch my other videos too, for crying out loud. I make quality content. How can you not notice? Anyways, I'm out. Peace. I'm playing against the same people. It's kind of annoying. Because I can't tell if these guys are using this purple. Can't tell if it's hacked though.
Enemy hind incoming.
This guy really try to freaking run up on me. Dude, come on. No one's gonna shoot that down?
Enemy UAV online.
Got him. I knew that guy was gonna die. That's why I left there. What the f